Technology, quality, comfort. Shantui excavator instruction. Complete models enable you with wide choices. Shantui SE9 is a new generation excavator developed by Shantui, covering 0.8 tonnage to 70 tonnage with complete in specifications. With powerful engine, large hopper, amazing excavation, and wide operation range, it is adaptable to various operation environments. Technology leading and innovative development. Electronic control system, shock absorber, and efficient energy-saving technologies take the leading position in China and the advanced position in the world. Powerful and environment-friendly engine. The machine is powered by world's leading engines WP China, Yanmar Japan, and Cummins USA, and is perfectly matched with energy-saving, efficient, and intelligent electronic control system to reduce noise, fuel consumption, improve efficiency, and prolong service interval. Reliable global quality. Original hydraulic components, supplied by global manufacturers, ensure reliable quality, powerful excavation, and high efficiency. Comfort driving experience and easy operation. New cab and seats, wider visual field, brand new interior and auto AC system, easy to operate. New generation electrical control system, wide color display that monitors the operation at real time. Easy operation improves efficiency. Versatile monster machines for various operation conditions. Various optional accessories like quartering hammer, scarifier, and quick coupling device for multiple purposes like excavation, backfilling, braking, and leveling. Ascend anew with high-quality products, the best choice for earthwork construction and scraping and moving of bulk materials. Achieve value to create a better future. Shantui. Value that works.